But talking about these crops as raw materials, what will be the final product? It will be like alternative meat, milk, dairy, or what is it? What products do you have in mind?
Yeah, it's if you ask my personal opinion, I think the winners are not yet clear. There are basically where there are three main roads that are currently discussed. The first one is to create lab meat. Lab meat is basically you produce something that is made from stem cells. It's produced in a clean kind of reactor, in the factory. And in the end, you have meat made without or with very little input from animals. Just the stem cells come from animals. This is the most expensive and complicated high-tech solution. It's very doubtful, in my opinion, that the economies will match meat in the end, or it will take a long time. And I'm also quite sure that the sustainability of this type of products and the greenhouse gas emissions will actually not be so super good, because you need to go into very clean and super clean bioreactor factories. I don't think that's a very good idea, but many people believe in it, and there's lots of investment going on in this industry now. So this is lab meat. The second one are products that imitate meat. So it's basically copies of meat that don't use animals. So good examples would be Impossible Burger or Next Level or whatever. There are many different companies now, big investment going on, and they are trying to make products that taste and look like and cook like and whatever meat, so artificial meat. I don't like it very much, because I think copying things is not something a human being should do. It's a very boring job to copy things. It's better to innovate. And also, when you copy something, you will always be kind of disappointed, right? And also, when you look at history, it's very rare that revolutions copy something else, right? The car is not a copy of a horse. It's not a mechanical horse. It's something different, right? Quite different, even not a mechanical carriage. So when you look at the history, normally innovations are not copies of the past, but actually innovations are different. That's why I think the third category is going to be more successful, and that's alternatives to meat. Those things that don't look like meat, but you can eat them instead of meat. For example, traditional things like seitan, tofu, falafel, right? All these kind of things. These are traditional products, but there can be also new ones. Why can't we invent something new, right?